Toy Biz made a ton of X-Men figures, and I've talked in previous episodes about the glut in Toy Biz X-Men figures and how you can find figures such as this Senyaka for $5. But some of them are pretty cool. I'm not really familiar with this figure or who he is. There's some information here on the back about him being part of the Acolytes, I think, and he has psionic whips and he can energize his own energies, sapping enemies' life forces. Magneto struck him down, blah blah blah. He's got his arm whip snapping action, so not a main villain, definitely not a Magneto or a Sabretooth or Apocalypse of the X-Men realm, but definitely an X-Men villain nonetheless. This is from 1994, Toy Biz X-Men Evil Mutants. There's that guy who's got like the tank treads. He's not on the back here, but I don't know. I think he's a cool looking character. I like his look. It's sort of like a cyber ninja, and he's got this big whip. We also get the official Marvel Universe trading card as opposed to the unofficial Marvel Universe trading cards. I think it'd be kind of cool if somebody made some bootleg Marvel trading cards. If I had any artistic abilities, I would do that. But we got Dark Phoenix here, well, Jean Grey. When she turned bad, she was Phoenix, and she was Dark Phoenix. That wasn't good. 94 Fleer Ultra, kind of a classic non-sports card line from the mid-90s. But the person we're here to see is Senyaka. His whip snapping action. So always look at the instructions. So lift his right arm to lock, push button for whip snapping action. Ooh, kind of clicks a lot. I'm not too impressed with his whip snapping action. Pull out this whip. Actually, I was surprised. I thought this would be kind of a hard plastic, but it's actually pretty thin and bendy. So that's cool. Whip in his hand. Yeah, so again, I don't really know anything about Senyaka. I've never really read a comic with him in it. And I definitely read a lot of X-Men comics in the mid-90s. This whip is not wanting to go into his hand. Let's see. It's kind of weak. I think it looks better just displayed rather than using his whip snapping action. But I don't know, cool figure. I think it'll look cool on the shelf. Interesting bad guy. I like the whip accessory, even if the whip snapping action doesn't work too well. So, as always, thanks for watching. This was the 1994 Toy Biz X-Men Senyaka with whip snapping action and the Dark Phoenix 94 Fleer Ultra official Marvel Universe trading card.